Hello everyone, welcome to the special episode Indian Market Action and Expectations for January 4th week, 21st January to 26th January. What are the key expectations we can see? If you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel Share Market C2C to get our regular daily updates and weekly updates. Let's get into the video. This is our agenda for discussion today. So quickly we can wrap up and recall the past week what happened. So both Nifty and Sensex fall almost like 1.5 percentage to end at 21,572 and 71,424 respectively. However, the broader market which was good, like the mid cap gained by 1.16 percentage. However, the small cap ended almost flat with a 0.1 percentage negative bias. The more downfall contribution was came from Bank Nifty, which fell almost like a 3.5 percentage because of the only one heavyweight stock, which is the HDFC. Because of the net interest margin was missed. Because of that, the stock also fall almost like a 10 to 11 percentage, and from there it struggled a lot to recover, and at end of the last trading session it slightly recovered like 0.5 percentage, we can say, which was dragging the full market down because of the heavyweight stock missed it, the street expectations. For the coming week, we are having almost 200 companies announcing their Q3 results. The major companies that we will be looking is the Axis Bank result, which is coming on Jan 23rd. So Tata Steel is coming with Jan 24th with its results. Kipla on Jan 25 and Bajaj Auto on Jan 24. So the other key companies are like Karnataka Bank, Blue Dot, Oberoi Realty, Railtel, VST, Tata Chemical, Indian Bank, UCO Bank, SBI Cards and others are also on focus. So those are the major companies coming with results. So the coming week we have only 3 trading sessions. So Monday, tomorrow is a holiday. Also Friday it is a Republic Day holiday. So with the 3 sessions only left, we will be expecting some sort of consolidation only, unless there is a trend is triggered out either in the directional like upside or downside. By seeing the foreign institutionals investors last week, they have heavily sold in the cash market, like almost 24,147 crores they sold just in 3 days, from 17th to 19th January, including 20th January. Yesterday they have sold also again almost like 500 crores plus. So DII, they have brought for almost 10,713 crores. However, they couldn't match even 50 percentage of what the FIIs have sold. So overall for this month so far, FIIs have sold for 23,583 crores, and DIIs so far they have brought for 10,274 crores. So which is also again so far end of this month, the DIIs cannot match even 50 percentage of what the FIIs have sold. However, they balanced, at least they give a tough for FIIs to not to drag the market as they expected. So that's how the DIIs are supporting the market exceptionally well. Hope this will continues ahead of the budget as well. So let's see what we can ahead looking for market. So the key data that we'll be expecting from globally are Bank of Japan. They will be having their monetary announcement, which is on Jan 23rd. So they are likely to have their rate hike instead of rate cut. So on by the March or April of this year. And European Central Bank, they are having their also the Fed minutes meeting, which will be on Jan 25th. So they are expecting starting from the financial year of Q1, they could be announced having 4 rate cuts could be there. So that is positive we can expect. So let's wait for the data from European Central Bank data, and also we have a data expecting from the US GDP data for Q4. What is the expectation? So that most probably, if they are expecting it will be down from the Q3 levels. So that's about the global data that what we'll be expecting for the coming week. And our market maybe most probably will start having their reaction ahead of the budget. So budget is on February 1st, which will be the next week, Friday. So we have still almost like a 10 days. However, the market is indicating there could be a good potential that we also witnessing recently in the railways and the power sector will be having a good capex for the upcoming budget. However, some brokerages are predicting that the government may not having a potential good capex for this budget. If there is any disappointment like this, the market may go for a deep correction and there will be some profit booking if the expectations of the capex is not met with the residents' expectations. So that's what we are looking ahead about the budget. If any trigger news is coming ahead, then the market will start reacting. And if the disappointments in the budget, there could be a solid correction could happen in the near future. Coming to the technical view expectation of the Nifty and Bank Nifty, so we believe that the support will be around the range of 21,300, which is the 21,285, which was the recent low have made. We can expect that level will not be broken from on the downside. And if the 21,750 levels is broken on the upside, we can see some further up movements. As I said, the the Nifty is trading still below the 20 SMA moving. So we have to cross decisively above 21,650 levels, and it have to close above the levels to move further on it. So then only we can expect to the upside level of 21,800 above. So meantime, we can expect the range. For me, I'm predicting this week it will be around the range of 21,300 to 21,800. However, in a broader view, I'm expecting 21,000 to 22,000 if in case of it going in a non-directional way, I mean the directional way of either upside or downside. So either one side 500 points down also could possible, since it is exactly trading in the range of 21,500 levels. So coming to Bank Nifty, so it seems to be very weak with the results. So the Kotak Mahindra Bank and ICICI Bank results seems to be okay. With that, if HDFC Bank try to recover, then we can see the up movement around the range of 47,000. Otherwise, it could go down to the level of 45,000 to take the support. So the maximum range for this week will be around 45,000 to 47,000 level in the Bank Nifty we can see. For the Nifty weekly options, we see the call side around 22,500 have maximum open interest, and on the put side 20,500 as a open interest, which is a very broad view. However, I'm expecting, as I said, 21,000 to 22,000 could be expected range for this week for the F&O. So the next one, we have one FII-DAI focus stock, which is Strides Pharma, where we have seen very good return being given on this stock, almost like 107% in last year. Currently, one of the DII, which is Mukul Mahavir Agarwal, he increased his stake to 1.5%, which is almost like 14 lakh shares he have brought in this stock. And also we see the foreign institutionals also increased their stake from 17.25% to 19.45% in the last December quarter. This company is mainly in a pharmaceutical sector, which is they are dealing with the business of like therapy segments and manufacturing of new medicines. So currently the stock is trading around the range of 679. This stock is being in the small cap criteria. This stock have a potential to go further high. You should have this stock in your watch list for its performance. For me, I believe below 600, around 600 range, this stock is very good to enter on it. So coming to some stock recommendations, we see Motilal Oswal is bullish on Atul. So they set the target of 6,795. Currently, it's trading in the range of 6,488. Hindustan Unilever, Motilal Oswal is bullish. He set the target of 2,900. Currently trading in the range of 2,469. Metro Brands, Motilal Oswal set the target 1380, currently trading in the range of 1139. Credit Access Greyman, Motilal Oswal set the target 1985, currently trading in the range of 1667. Home First Finance, Motilal Oswal is bullish for the target of 1180, currently trading in the range of 985. Galaxy Surfactants, Motilal Oswal is bullish to have a target of 3760, currently trading in the range of 2694. Few corporate actions for this week. The date is not changed. Apologies for that. So we have key stocks that they will be having their dividends, or Angel One. They are having interim dividend of 12.7 rupees, and Mass Financial Service, they are having interim dividend of 3 rupees, and Wipro, they are having a dividend of 1 rupees, and Dolphin Offshore, they are having their stock split. They're having a record date X date as 25th January. Stock split from face value 10 to 1. And for KDDL Limited, they set a dividend of 58 rupees. The X date is 25th. And for Robust Hotels Limited, they say given a dividend of 7 rupees. They set X date as a 25th. Other companies, they are having their EGMs as per their schedule. You can look into it if you want to participate on the EGMs. So that's about the corporate action for the coming week. And coming to the IPO corner, we have EPAC Durable. Their subscription will be closing on January 23rd. On the same date, Media Assist will be having their listing on the market. Nova Agritech is going for a subscription by January 23rd and closes by Jan 25th. They are planning to raise 143 crores. Coming to SME segment, Brisk Technovision is opening for its subscription by January 23rd, and Dealerplex and Phonebox retails are coming for subscription by January 24th. Harshadeep Kartika and Megtharam Induction IPOs is going to open for on January 25th. So if you are interested on IPOs, if you are fundamentally knowing about the company, you can look for the subscription of the IPOs. That's it for the week ahead program. I hope the week ahead informations are beneficial for you. If this video is beneficial, please like the video, share to your network, subscribe to the channel, and press bell notification. Thank you. Stay safe, investor.